So we have Hardik with us. I'm seeing Hardik after 2 years from his hair restoration out here. Hardik, hi. How are you?
How are you?
You look like from Australia.
Absolutely, yes. Everything is so perfect. Absolutely. No, you're not. And that's why I wanted to come and show it to you as well. Wanted to thank you as well.
Have you just seen him?
Right?
He just looked anything, yeah?
It's all his magic, alright? I have not done anything. But only thing I did is I found him, right? And that is the right person to do it.
So if you can just zoom in, I want to show you how beautiful this hairline looks. Yes, you have done a hairline and a temporal restoration for him, going all the way into the frontal tuft, and his hair looks fab. Look at the irregularities that we have created in the hairline. Alright, this is what gives a natural look and change. So anyone who sees you, are they able to find out that you
No, and just a few of my friends who knew that I came down here and got the surgery done. But apart from them, no one knows. Yep, absolutely. And they all are saying that at this age also you are not losing your hair. So they don't need to know.
I also want you to have a look at your goonery. Come, you have a look at the
So yeah, I'm sorry.
Alright, that's why we took the grafts out from the mouth. It's not even seen anywhere. Just look up for me. So yeah, these are the. I think it's growing fantastically. Yeah, I mean, at no point of time anyone can figure out that they want to go on a hair transplant. So the key to natural looking result is creating this irregularities in the hairline, having the right hair angles and directions. Obviously, the density is very important, but there are so many other intricacies in a hair transplant, which is the result by you get a natural looking outcome. All right. So thank you for being here.
You for everybody what you needed.
No, I'm glad. Yes, I'm fine. You just have to maintain it.
Absolutely, and we keep taking the PRP sessions, make sure that you maintain it.